Good morning everyone. In today's video, eco-friendly packaging with Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's unbox it. Lifting and manual. The device. And the cable. USB Type-C cable. Satisfaction. This is a titanium version, grey. I like it. On the side we do have volume button and the power button, and the power button is a little bit too far for my sausage fingers. Antenna, probably a microphone. I'm not sure what that is. Let me know in a comment below. On the left, nothing really, two antennas. And on the bottom, speaker, antenna USB Type-C, SIM card tray, and the microphone. And of course, cameras with fingerprint sensor. Bam, and it is quick. Of course, 120 Hz. Let me switch the wallpaper for something brighter. It should be quick. There it is. Google News. Very smooth. We like that. This is a single SIM device. If you hit settings, we do have 5G network. Let's test the speeds. 400 in the studio. That is impressive. And 30 upload. Of course, we are in the studio. Let's continue. And for the latest processor, benchmark score 887 points, and internal storage UFS 3.0. 448 read and 245 write. If those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, I will show you another benchmark which has which you can compare to a different smartphone. For example, our device is 1926, so it's somewhere around Galaxy S23 Plus with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And in the multi-score, if we have 4550, that's somewhere around Poco F5, Poco Phone F5, and Galaxy S23 gaming. It looks smooth to me. Smooth. A bit dim. Why it's so dark? It's getting dark. Maybe it's in the game. I don't know. Come on! Low ammo. And still getting dark. I'm not sure why it's dimming like that. Oh, I've got one. Oh, that's no. Winning! It's still dimming. It's camera action. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front facing camera, which you're watching at the moment, and from the main lens all the way into the 8K 30 frames per second. Wow. At the moment, wow, what a resolution. Crisp image. Wide angle lens, vlogging style, look at the sky. Also, autofocus macro is available from the wide angle lens and not available in front facing camera. But still, if you get very close to the camera, you will get a sharp image. It's fixed, but sharp, not the macro. But the main question is, can you vlog with this smartphone? Yes, you can. Look how wide it is. Welcome to my crib.
Don't wanna night video. Alright. It's okay. This is wide angle lens. If we switch to the main lens, should be a bit brighter. Maybe a bit brighter. There's a lot of artificial light around here. And the front facing camera, that's pretty good.
Battery will last me whole day. I like. Pixel 9 has tons of AI features, but this video will be too long, so we concentrate on the main one, and the main one is the camera, because the camera is so wide and it's great for vlogging. You don't need a selfie stick, just bam, 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 and vlogging and selfies and all kinds of social media will be yours with beautiful Pixel. See you next video, bye.